for the second phase of the therapy process, the self-treatment process for chronic neck pain, is say you have excess tension on one side more than the other, and you're kind of cocked to one side, perhaps because of muscular tension and imbalance on one side or the other for whatever reason, or you have a facet joint that's stuck on one side or the other. This is a really good technique to release that when you have an imbalance on one side or the other. So I'll go down to my primary position that I enjoy. Put the halter on, cinch it down so it's fairly snug so it doesn't slide off when I give myself resistance or traction by scooting away. There we go. I find just the right amount of pull that gives me that sweet spot feeling of ah. The ah feeling. That's what you want. And you want to be able to totally relax and let it pull on you without you doing any work, tightening up and allowing yourself to be completely calm and relaxed. Enjoying the relaxation response, the pleasure of relief from tightness and tension and pain. Okay. Say, for instance, I had a stuck facet joint on my left side, or my muscles on my left were more tighter than my right side. I can simply roll over and find the right position. You remember to always be adjusting this thing, do little micro adjustments so that you always find that perfect sweet spot, the point that feels best for you. There's always a sweet spot, and your job is to find it. When you find it, you'll know it. It'll feel the best. So I've aligned myself sideways for the sweet spot, but now I need a little bit more traction. I scoot away, and there it is. I got it. And that feels really, really good. And by simply rotating slightly, I can get it to feel even better. So notice I'm not all the way on my side. My hips are rolled all the way over, but my shoulders are rolled back. I could be here if that really felt best for me, and it might for you. So totally doable. What I'm trying to say is that you decide by feel. Feeling sensation is your ultimate guide to let you know when you're doing something right or not regarding self-treatment. It's the sensation that'll guide you. It's the most surefire mechanism we have. If it feels good, it is good. If it doesn't feel good, it's not good. It's that simple. Likewise, how long would you stay in one position? Again, you stay in there as long as it feels good. And for me, that seems like enough. So, because the neck is, it's a delicate area. You don't want to give it too much strain or stress or resistance. Take it easy on the neck. The less movement or resistance that you can do to achieve a result is the one you want to take, not the most resistance or the most traction or the most force, but the least. Take the path of least resistance that allows you to achieve any result. Same thing, I can do a counter pose to my right side and open up my tightness on the opposite side of my neck by rolling to the other side if I need it. If it doesn't feel good, I won't do it. If it feels good, I'll do it and enjoy it. And this does feel good, so I'll hang out here for a minute and enjoy it. So that's one way to work extra tightness on one side of the neck or the other, by rolling gently to one side. You don't have to roll all the way, you can just roll a little bit, and that may do the trick. The other way is to scoot to one side. If I scoot to my right with my body, it opens up, notice it makes me side bend my neck to the left and opens up my right side. Likewise, if I scoot to my left, it opens up my left side. And it gives it a nice opening, nice pull right there. And I just hang out. If my body needs it, I'll hang out and enjoy it as long as it feels good. When my body seems to tire of that position, I'll move out of it. Always adjusting, more or less. If I need a little break, I pull on the handle, pull off. If I need more of a break, I just let it go, and I just go into another relaxation response, mini savasana. Right? There it is. Legs straight, legs bent, whatever feels good for total relaxation. The minute you relax, you get an increase, a great increase in circulation of blood, lymph, and energy. They all start to flow more freely. And that, my friend, is the essence of the healing process. The better your circulation, the better your healing. The less circulation, the less healing you will experience. And this applies across the board to anything, any part of the body, whether it's neck pain, back pain, knee problems. You want to achieve circulation to an area as much as you can. You want to restore normal range of motion and normal muscle tone or normal strength. I can also do that same exercise of pushing the back of my head straight down into the floor, even without the traction on. This is an exercise you can do anytime, anywhere. When you wake up in the morning, it's a good time to do it. Just take that pillow out, push the back of your head down in several times, and relax. You can keep your chin tucked in, rotate your neck slightly, and push it down again, and you'll get another type of mobilization on that neck joint. Keep your chin tucked and rotate to the right, and push the back of your head down into the floor again. This is a great self-mobilization technique for your neck, and you may find it'll cause a little popping, a little self-adjustment of your vertebra in your neck, and you just saved yourself $75 from the chiropractor by mobilizing your own neck with that nice little self-mobilization technique. Tucking your chin in, pushing the back of your head into the floor. You can do this before you go to sleep at night, when you wake up in the morning. You can do it while you're sitting by putting the back of your hand on your head and pushing the back of your head into your hands. Okay? And relax. Relax and enjoy the rush of relaxation, endorphins and enkephalines, all the feel-good chemicals. Okay? And that's how I like to use this traction device. That's the primary ways I use it. There's some more advanced ways which I'll show you next time. Other ways you can use this for strengthening and mobilization. Okay, so when you sit up, after a nice relaxing traction, roll onto your side, use your hands to push up, keep your spine aligned, and notice how much better you feel. Thank you. Namaste.